Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are going to tell me where has this fat bitch been at, but guys, I don't have an excuse. I'm just fucking lazy. I know I've been gone. I know I haven't been uploading like I used to. I know I used to upload like a video every freaking week, and it just kind of gradually went down to like once a month, and that is not good. So my 2020 year's resolution is that I'm gonna upload more consistently. I'm going to try and start doing a video a week, and then maybe I'll upload 2 a week, who knows. But for now, I do want to come back with a tutorial. But I did this gorgeous soft winter glam, my go-to like soft winter glam. I do wanted to change it up and do different types of videos for this channel. I'm not going to be sticking to tutorials like I used to. I do want to do like a combo of fun videos, tutorials, and reviews. But yeah guys, if you guys want to see how I create this gorgeous soft winter glam, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, as always, we're going to start off with our base, and as always, I'm going to be using my Bisuf liquid foundation. I only get this in Mexico. It's only available in Mexico, and like always, it's kind of repetitive already. I'm going to be applying this with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Sometimes I will change a beauty sponge for my Real Techniques, for my Morphe Jaclyn Hill foundation brush. I did forget the number of it. I believe it's the JH03, which is the foundation brush, and I love it too as well. Now I'm going to be applying my favorite concealer, which is a ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 22, and as always, I'm going to be applying under my eyes, my chin, and a little bit on my nose, and whatever is left on the sponge, I will blend it on my forehead, because I don't like having a lot of product on my forehead, because I do have a lot of very deep expression lines that I pretty much hate, but she's broke and can't afford Botox right now, so watch my videos if I could afford Botox. Now I'm going to be setting everything. I do love to set my entire face with translucent powder. This is the Airspun, the Coty Airspun, and I love to press it into my skin with a large powder puff. This is all the time I do this. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. My face is literally oily all year round. My face does get a little bit drier during the winter, but it's still oily, so I do like to press it into my skin just for longevity and for my oils won't peek through. I didn't know where I left my bronzer. I cannot find my super bronzer. I'm gonna have to buy a new one, but I use this Catrice and Iman blush palette, and I used the darkest shade in there as blush. It's a little bit pink and warm on me, but for the sake of the video, it did look really pretty, and in pictures it did look pretty as well. So I'm just going to be applying it with a Makeup Shop, I believe it's a Makeup Shop brush. And finally, guys, I'm going to be using my Emma Mitchell Beauty Bay collaboration palette. I love this palette. I used it for the first time in months since I freaking bought it. I bought it and launched it, and this is the first time that I'm actually using it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm watching The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and I kind of like dazed out right there. But I'm grabbing the shade Man Made, and I'm placing it on my outer corner and pressing it into my crease. I'm not worrying about blending right now. I'm just worrying about bringing the pigment up from that color. I know it's dark shadow, but I do sometimes like to start from my darkest shade and then going up to my lightest shade. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Mixer and blending out the edges a little bit, but it was a little bit too yellow for my liking for this look exactly. So I grabbed a little bit of Modest and then mixed those two colors, Mixer and Modest, together, and it created the perfect transition shade, guys. Now I'm going to be going back into the palette and grabbing the shade Man Made again, just to deepen the crease area and then blend everything out, just so we won't have harsh lines. Now I'm going to be grabbing the shimmer shade in the palette, which is the Master, which is this gorgeous bronze shade. And I'm just going to be placing this in the inner part of my eye, all the way to the corner of my eyebrow. I love bringing my shimmers like all the way up there because I do have like a lot of lid space, and if I do cut my crease, I feel like it kind of makes my eye look smaller. I do have small eyes, so cutting my crease does tend to make my eyes look smaller. I know a lot of people cut their crease to make their eyes look bigger, but because I already have small eyes and I have a lot of lid space, cutting my crease just make my eyes look smaller. Now I'm going to be grabbing the same shade Man-Made and blending it on my lower lash line. I'm using a concentrating brush. This is by Jaclyn Hill. I did forget the number, but I will leave everything down below. Now I'm grabbing a small pencil brush and just blending the edges with a little bit of Modest and just smoking that lower lash line. If you do have a lot of like wrinkles or expression lines down there, I do recommend to bring your shadow low, just so it could look really good. And I'm going to be applying my lashes, as you guys can tell here, and I'm going to be grabbing the shade Face from the James Charles palette. I love this highlighter, guys. I don't know why James didn't take out it as a single, because this highlighter is freaking amazing. I totally recommend Morphe and James to take it out as a single. I'm totally sure it's going to be a banger because this shadow is so amazing. I use it every day. I think I'm going to buy a whole ass palette just because I want to depot this and take it with me with everywhere I go. And then I'm going to be lining my lips with Hot Cocoa Lip Liner by Italia Cosmetics. These lip liners are freaking amazing. They're only $1. So I'm just going to be outlining my lips and filling them out with a satin liquid lip by ColourPop I Love Satin. It's their first collaboration. This liquid lipstick is so old. It's their satin lip and it's 951, and then just using a small lip brush just to blend the lip liner and this lipstick together. I'm not going to be using the gloss just because I tend to do gloss all the time, so I wanted to keep a little bit more simple and matte because this is an easy look. So the lip can look a little bit kind of pink, so I wanted to lighten it a little bit up. So I got the Wet n Wild Mega Lipstick in the shade Bared On and added to the center. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this Winter Soft Glam that I created for you. I really love, this is like my go-to look. It's very easy, very fast. I only use like 3 shadows. Really, I need to put my phone on silent. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to know what products I used in this video, will be down in my description box. Also, it's on my social media, so you guys can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.